welcome to our story time. Today, we're going to read a beautiful story called I Love My Family. The story is about a young boy named Max. Max lived in a little town. This town was very beautiful, surrounded by green hills and many, many blooming flowers. Imagine all the pretty colors: red, yellow, pink, just everywhere. Max didn't live alone. He lived with his family. He lived with his mum, his dad, and his older sister, Sophia. Oh, and they had a very special family member too, a playful dog named Buddy. Buddy was a very happy dog who loved chasing butterflies in the garden. Can you imagine a little dog jumping after colorful butterflies? It must be so fun to watch. One bright morning, the sun was shining and the birds were singing. It was a perfect day. Max's mum had a fantastic idea. She said, "Let's have a picnic today." A picnic? What a great idea! Max was so excited. He was thrilled. He loved picnics. Do you like picnics? I think they are so much fun. So the family started to prepare for their picnic. They all worked together. Teamwork makes everything better, right? They prepared the food. What did they make? First, they made some easy sandwiches, maybe with cheese or chicken. Yummy. Then they cut some fresh apples. Apples are sweet and healthy, and for a special treat, Max's mum baked a small chocolate cake. Chocolate cake is my favorite. Max was so happy helping his mum in the kitchen. After preparing everything, they were ready to go. They went to a nearby park. It wasn't far from their home. The park was beautiful. The sun was shining brightly in the clear blue sky, and you could hear the birds singing their happy songs. Max's parents looked for the perfect spot. They found a nice, shady spot under a big, tall tree. They placed a colorful picnic blanket on the soft green grass. It looked so cozy and inviting. Now it was time for some fun. Before eating, Max and his sister Sophia decided to play. They had a ball with them. They threw the ball to each other, laughing and running around. Their laughter filled the park. And what about Buddy, the dog? Buddy was having the best time. He ran all around them, wagging his tail so fast. He was so happy to be outside with his family. He barked happily and chased after the ball too. It was a joyful scene, full of energy and smiles. After playing for a while, everyone started to feel hungry. It was lunchtime. The family all sat down together on the picnic blanket. Max's mum opened the picnic basket. The smell of the food was delicious. The sandwiches were so yummy. Max was very hungry from all the running, so he ate big bites of his sandwich. His sister Sophia was being silly. She made funny faces while she was eating, and that made Max laugh a lot. It's so nice to laugh with your sister or brother. Then it was time for dessert, the chocolate cake. Everyone's eyes lit up. Max's mum cut a slice for everyone. They all enjoyed the sweet, delicious chocolate cake. It was the perfect end to their meal. As Max looked around, he saw his mum, his dad, and his sister all smiling and happy. He felt a warm, wonderful feeling inside his heart. It was the feeling of love. He was so happy to see his family together, enjoying this special moment. Even Buddy the dog seemed to understand. He came over to Max and gave him a big wet lick on his face, as if he was saying, "I love you, Max." After lunch, they didn't pack up right away. They just relaxed together under the big tree. The afternoon was warm and lazy. They started sharing stories. Max's dad told a funny story from when he was a little boy. Everyone laughed. Then Sophia shared a heartwarming story about a time she helped a friend. Max listened to all the stories, feeling so connected to his family. He laughed so much at his dad's jokes that his stomach started to hurt. Have you ever laughed that hard? It's the best feeling. Slowly, the sun began to set. The sky turned into beautiful colors of orange, pink, and purple. It was time to go home. The wonderful picnic day was coming to an end. They all worked together again to pack up their things. They made sure not to leave any trash behind. It's important to keep our parks clean. Max helped carry a small bag. He walked right next to his mum, holding her hand. On the other side, Sophia and Dad were talking about the day. They talked about their favorite parts of the picnic. And Buddy, the happy dog, walked quietly beside them, probably tired from all the fun. The walk home was peaceful and nice. That night, Max was in his bed, ready to sleep. He was tucked in under his warm blanket. But he wasn't sleepy just yet. He was thinking about the day. He was thinking about the picnic. He remembered all the fun he had playing with Sophia. He remembered the delicious food and the sweet chocolate cake. Most of all, he remembered the laughter and the warm, happy moments with his family. He felt so much love and gratitude. He felt very, very happy. He knew he had the best family in the whole world. With these happy thoughts in his mind, Max felt a big smile form on his face. He closed his eyes, feeling peaceful and loved, and just like that, he fell asleep with a smile, dreaming of sunny days, picnics, and his wonderful family. And that's the end of our story. I love my family. I hope you enjoyed this story and learned some new English words. Thank you so much for listening with me today. Remember to spend time with your family and tell them you love them. If you liked our story, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun stories. See you next time.